I have successfully received the $100 no deposit bonus. Hopefully guys you can see it right here, and you can see it just credited to my account about 8 minutes ago guys. And let me just show you this is real. Okay, let me just make few analysis and just give a nice trade. Okay, just give you a clue that this is a real guys. I'm gonna do this probably on just looking at this paper. Nothing is tradable here guys, but I'm going to show you exactly how to receive this no deposit bonus very fast. Let me just get a simple trade guys, just to show you exactly it is tradable and it's very fast to receive guys. I just want to make a small analysis on any pair, then boom, I'm going to take a trade there. Okay, looks like I've got something to watch here. Let me just open a trade. Let me just open a trade guys, just to show you exactly it works with the minimum lot size because it's not a serious trade. I'm going to open a trade just like this. Boom, accepted. Okay, alright, so you can see running. This is very a standard account running with big lot size. Okay, let me just insert my stop loss here guys. So I want to lose everything. Okay, I want to lose everything. Okay, you can see guys, I've opened an account, losing already $9. That's awesome. Alright, let me show you how to get this no deposit bonus guys. It's very fast. I'm gonna do it just within a minute. And as you can see, I'm going straight to the website. It's the same website that I've talked to you about this. I've told you about the website. It's at the Mirror Markets guys, how to receive this 100 USD no deposit bonus. And I've just received it. After you have logged in and you've also verified your account, if you don't know how to do all those things, you can watch the video in the first comment. And after that, just come down here and click get started here. And first you'll be prompted to create an account. Once you create an account, just come back and click on the same here. You choose the account that you've created, just like me here. I'll choose the account that I've created, and then just click the button which say join, and then just wait. An email will be shortly sent to your inbox, and that email looks exactly like this, that you have created an account, and these are your details. But after you log in into MT5, then you will realize that you have just been created with the 100 USD no deposit bonus fast guys, and it only took me a few minutes to receive this no deposit bonus guys. So you can see I'm running a very big loss and I'm about to lose all my money right now, but don't worry about that. I know how to trade, and don't worry, I was just playing around to show you exactly it is tradable guys, and you ain't going to do that all the time. Okay, and if you guys love this type of no deposit bonus video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. It's really helpful to us. If you subscribe, just click on that button and you're gonna update you with a lot of video, no deposit bonuses, and how to trade forex. And that's all we're gonna do for you. See you on the next video.